How to create a Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create a Facebook page. So for that, just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner of your mobile screen, and from there you will be able to see the option called create new profile or page. Just simply tap on it and you have the option to create a public page. Just simply select the second option and click on next. And it says that create a page to engage new customers and fans, and these are the few information. If you want to read it, after reading it just simply click on get started, and over here just simply enter the page name that you are creating. So I'm entering my page name and click on next, and just select the type of category in which you are dealing in, and just simply click on create. And after that, on this page, in order to finish setting up your page, you need to enter some of your personal information. Just simply add your bio first of all, and just simply enter your contact details. You can enter your website, your email address, your phone number, your location, and other things. You can also select the hours on which you will be available for the page, and just simply click on next. And you can customize your page as well after adding your profile picture and a banner, and click on next. If you want to skip them, you can skip them as well. You can also go ahead and invite your friends if you want to. Click on next, and now you can enable your notification for the page as per your liking. And now as you can see that your Facebook page has been created successfully. So this is basically how simple it is to create a Facebook page. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.